This is where you gotta walk around here. Did you look around here to see if anything is?
I was in there.
Okay.
Time to do the deed.
Hey, did you bring your phone out with you?
Got it.
Are you getting it?
Watch that foot coming up through that fence, though.
D-nuts and calves here today.
You got it.
Sneaky, sneaky.
Watch that.
All right, there's that rope there if y'all want to tie it off.
Okay.
Come on, Donnie. All right, here we go. We got one coming.
You guys hold some lidocaine or something.
I don't know if I got enough of the fucking.
You can slide it up, can't you?
Can you get the sack undone?
I think I don't remember fucking how this worked. I remember just last time it just
They should just
got up in there and got it
down.
and pulled it out.
It's
Easy.
got a weird little thing on it. Do they all have one?
I don't have a clue.
There you go.
No, I ain't got it out. This is the. God damn it. I'm making a mess out of here. Nope, this is not right.
Solid, huh?
It's supposed to pull a long right thing out of it.
Mm-hmm. You gotta go up higher?
Nope.
All right. There you go.
I still ain't got it.
There we go.
There
It's coming. Oh, God.
There it is.
There you go. Oh, my God. Keep pulling. A little more. More.
Oh.
There you go.
I ain't even cut.
There, that one's coming a little easier, it looks like. Maybe not. Keep pulling. Keep pull. It's coming. Oh, there you go. I would keep pulling. Pull.
Yeah, until you get that little itty
What do you
bitty.
think now?
Yeah.
Oh, did you want to try to get that little one's head in there or no?
Yeah, he'll come in here. I don't think we do it. You gonna do it like that?
Victim number 2.
How'd you do it? You just went like
This one we actually
Yeah,
got his
I
head
know,
in the
I'm just gonna
shoe.
do it like a cinch knot. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take it right around.
You just gotta be careful because he's still high. Yep. You might want to come over and snip from this side. Well, that's why I said this side. You could drop this down and you could grab it from there. They will. I mean, it'll plot up though.
I don't want to use my teeth on this. God, I can't break it open. Try to get the last one. There we go.
It's alright, buddy. He's like, the hell it is.
It's gonna feel a little prick.
Son of a bitch!
Little pinch.
Is that what they told you?
Yep. Gonna feel a little pinch.
You were numb. You were numb.
One numb enough. The only time I didn't mind being a numb.
I know. I know it.
That's it.
Let it keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Until it like barely is there. Keep pulling. There you go.
Start our own vet, like Dr. Pole. Animal
All
eater.
right.
Go.
There's a good boy.
All right.
She ain't bleeding near as bad. All right. There we go.
Mountain oysters coming up.